Imstyle mentions that the WiGrip secures your wig in place with no glue or tape, so you don't have to fuss with it throughout the day. Adjustable, one size fits all with simple design and high quality velvet materials. Has a seamless, more comfortable wear. Eliminates irritation and headaches from traditional wig fasteners. Prevent bald spots. Multiple colors available to match your wigs for discreet wear, including black, like I chose, brown, and cream. Won't slip, slide, or move even if your wig is stretched out. I go to the gym often and do many classes, so I move a lot, so I needed my hair to be well protected. The first week using the WiGrip, I was so amazed to see that it stayed in place and held my wig. It also worked well to keep my scarf in place. I was surprised that I didn't hear about the WiGrip earlier. I even told my sisters and friends about the WiGrip and recommended it to them. Unfortunately, after like 3 to 4 months, the material had already deteriorated. The Velcro part was almost all gone, so I couldn't stick the WiGrip together to make it close and go around my head. I got disappointed. I don't mistrust the use of a WiGrip. Actually, I think it's a really good invention, but I won't buy this one anymore. I would try other brands instead. I would like to hear your experience with Imstyle's WiGrip, or if you use another brand of WiGrip. Did it work for you? Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day and stay tuned.